The present perfect continuous tense, also known as the present perfect progressive tense, is a verb form that indicates ongoing actions or habits that started in the past and continue into the present. In the context of conservation efforts, this tense is particularly useful in highlighting long-term projects aimed at protecting the environment and preserving biodiversity. One example of the present perfect continuous tense in conservation is: scientists have been studying the impact of climate change on coral reefs for decades. This sentence demonstrates the ongoing nature of scientific research and monitoring efforts to understand and address the threats faced by coral reefs due to global warming. Another example could be: environmental organizations have been planting trees in deforested areas for years. This sentence shows the continuous action of tree planting activities carried out by conservation groups to restore degraded ecosystems and mitigate the effects of deforestation. Furthermore, the sentence, volunteers have been cleaning up beaches to protect marine life since last year, exemplifies the ongoing commitment of individuals in safeguarding coastal environments and marine species through regular beach cleanup initiatives. Moreover, the statement, local communities have been working together to create sustainable fishing practices in the region, highlights the collaborative and persistent efforts of community members to promote responsible fishing practices and ensure the long-term viability of marine resources. Overall, the present perfect continuous tense is a valuable grammatical tool for emphasizing the duration and continuity of conservation actions over time. By using this tense in discussing environmental initiatives, ESL students can better understand the long-term nature of conservation efforts and appreciate the dedication and persistence required to achieve meaningful conservation outcomes.